Our Father.
All right, Tony, what are we doing?
Round 3.
Are you sure? I think this is round 4. We didn't tape all of them because we're getting kind of frustrated.
I don't know. We're going to try a couple things.
We asked ChatGPT and they gave us some ideas. So before we tell you what those ideas are, we're going to try them and see how that works for us. All right, we'll be back. Hey, Tony.
It's running.
What did we do different this time?
Play with the steering wheel.
And what did ChatGPT say?
Play with the steering wheel.
So when
Explain it.
yeah, so when we were in there playing around, I didn't even check to see. And if you go back in the video, I didn't even check to see and make sure that the indicator light that the car was in park was illuminated. And I'm almost going to guarantee that when we go back in the video, there's not going to be an illumination under the P. It shows it down here where it's lit that it's in park, but it didn't show it up here. So the car was strapped down and the steering wheel was immobilized. So Tony over here undid the strap for the steering wheel. I wiggled the steering wheel and it engaged whatever it needed to engage to show it was in park. I took the key, turned it in the off position, and then it started right up when I turned it back on. So no ECU problem, which is amazing.
Everything.
All the lights are on the dash.
All right, so what we're going to do is we'll bring it down now.
Yeah.
Take it down from the trailer. Drive it over to the front of the shop. And then we will clean out the ports. Probably run the diagnostic scanner on it and see what's what. Maybe all those things are on because of the lights, because of the water. And we have to open the sunroof and clean out the drain ports. That's what's causing all this. So drain ports on the cowl, drain ports on the fucking sunroof is causing all these issues. Well, that's why there's so much water from rain. It's gonna rain tomorrow, so we probably should get to it.
All right. Thanks, YouTube.
Bye-bye.
Bye. So Tony, before you sit on your makeshift seat to pull this off of the trailer, I want to show YouTube our seat.
It's custom.
It is custom.
It's custom.
All right.
Yeah. It's custom hard. Oh, it's too high. Oh my ass. Alright, we're gonna Snoop Dogg it. Oh.
Lean back. Tony! I'm just a baby!
Goddamn Mary fuck.
He loves you so much, Kaden. All right, we're backing up, YouTube. All right, we're gonna check his rear end. Yeah. All right, come on back. Slow but steady. Yeah, you're good. For the most part. Turn it to the, I don't even know. Just come on back. All right, now turn it, because you're going to fall off on the ramp on this side. On this side. Yes. YouTube, we'll be back.
I'm on the floor.
All right. Turn it all the way towards me. Come forward and you should be able to turn it in. Those tires are almost flat, Kate, and we're going to have to fix those. All right. Come on. I can't hear a word you said. Midget. Almost all your tires are flat, Caden. But she's in the driveway under her own power. Good. How you feeling about life right now, Tony?
I'm stuck.
Hold on, let's watch a tall man get out of a tiny car.
It's not tiny, it's just no seat.
Do you feel like a clown in a clown car?
Oh, I could have went up more. Here, you move it up. Your turn. Get some.
I do.
Come on, get some. What?
Just the baby.
Just watch out with that module right there. That's under that purse. Oh, come on, get in that clown car. Yeah, low rider. There you go.
You know my hips don't work.
Look at you. Look at you. You look like a midget. You look like a midget. You look so small in the car.
I don't have to listen to this.
Where are you going in reverse?
I'm out.
Where are you going?
I'm out.
Where are you going? Where are you going? Hey, little one. Pull it over there, babe. Just go slow. There you go. Yeah. Go straight now.
Open the mouth while you're doing this. Very important.
Open the mouth. A little bit more. Little more. Right there. It pressurized, huh?
Yeah.
It's in park? Because you know this car is picky.
Yeah. She's picky, all right. Nice.
All right, guys. It's running. It's running. All right. See you later.
Hey YouTube, it's me. I just want to let you know, Tony failed at cooking dinner. So sad.